Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to disable applications from accessing our GPS and our location. To do this, we have to go to the settings options right here. Next, we have to look for location option. It's right here. Next, we need to select location, and we have here apps that are allowed to use our navigation, allowed while in use, and allow all the time. To revoke our permission, we need to use deny. Now our camera won't be able to access our location. That is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.